welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boil peanuts. But first things first, did you get a chance to subscribe to my channel? If not, please do for some amazing content that will be useful for your life. So, boiled peanuts brings back so many childhood memories, you won't believe it. My mom used to make fresh boiled peanuts. I can already smell it, so tasty yet so healthy. So they make a perfect snack. Let's go ahead and see how to make boiled peanuts pressure cooker style in this video. But before you go, did you get a chance to check out other snacks recipes? If not, I will leave the link in the description box below. Please do check them out. So let's go ahead and see this video. So these are my fresh peanuts that I got from the grocery couple of days back, and I will show you how to boil this peanut. First, they'll have little bit of mud in it, so wash it nicely at least 2 or 3 times, rinse it, and then we are going to put it in a pressure cooker with salt, enough salt for 3 to 4 whistles, and it will be ready. I'll show you. This is the 4th whistle. We are going to off the stove and let the steam go out, and then we'll take it out. So let's see if the pressure is gone. Pressure is gone. Let's open it. Oh, hot means hot. Look how they puffed up. I hope they taste okay. Now it's important that when the pressure is gone, we take it out from the water. You don't want it to stay in water for too long of time, because water will seep into the peanuts and it won't taste good. So let's take out the water and I will show it to you. There you have it, guys. I just took the water out and washed in cold water. So let's open it. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. And let's taste one. It just brings back so many childhood memories, you won't believe it. Have you eaten them? Have you grown up eating them? Share with me in the comment section. I love it. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe and share. And I will see you guys in my next video. And let me eat some hard boiled peanuts. Bye guys.